I've been saving $5 a week for a decade, Bob. Why am I still eating ramen out of a plastic cup?
Because you spend your life hoarding pennies instead of collecting actual assets. You're trading your time for scraps, buying trash you call assets, and wondering why nothing changes. Today, I'm giving you the 15 actual assets that build real wealth, starting at 15 and working up to the one that makes everything else possible. Number 15, your kids' brains. Most wealthy families lose everything by the third generation. Why? Because the money survived, but the wisdom didn't. A kid raised to understand delayed gratification is a better long-term asset than any house you'll ever buy. Number 14, AI and automation. AI won't make you rich on its own, but the guy who knows how to use it will absolutely take your job. It turns an 80-hour work week into an afternoon. You don't need to invent the robot, you just need to hold the leash. Number 13, buying boring businesses. Everyone thinks you have to invent the next big app in a garage. The real money is buying a sweaty plumbing business from a guy who wants to retire. You buy the cash flow from day one. You skip the startup phase entirely. Number 12, alternative stores of value. Gold, Bitcoin, things the warden can't just print more of. Every currency in human history has eventually gone to zero. Hard assets aren't there to make you rich, they are your insurance. Insurance against a system that dilutes your savings while you sleep. Number 11, dirt, specifically farmland. Billionaires are buying up farmland because it has one unique trait. They physically cannot manufacture more of it. The population grows, people need to eat, the dirt gets more valuable. The floor on land doesn't collapse the way stocks do. Number 10, private equity and angel investing. This is the VIP room of wealth. By the time a company goes public, the real money has already been made. Angel investing is buying the whole pie before it even hits the menu. Most bets fail, but one big win erases all the losses. Number 9, your reputation and your network. The biggest deals aren't on job boards, they happen in locked rooms. Your network isn't your useless LinkedIn profile. It's a compounding asset. Neglect it and it depreciates. Every broken promise makes you a liability. Guard your name. Number 8, attention and digital assets. Everyone is fighting for attention. If you own distribution, you win. A niche newsletter or a YouTube channel is unlimited leverage. You create the thing once and it works for you 24/7. You only need 1,000 true fans to never need a boss again. Number 7, intellectual property. This takes the audience concept one step further, owning the idea. You patent a mechanism once. Every time someone uses it, you get paid. The marginal cost of delivering one more unit is exactly zero. It's the only asset that scales infinitely without extra effort. Number 6, dividend stocks, the quiet engine. Getting paid for doing literally nothing. It's not a scam, it's a dividend. You buy a slice of a company, they send you cash every quarter. You use that cash to buy more slices. It's a compounding flywheel. Boring? Yes. Does it build generational wealth? Absolutely. Number 5, index funds, betting on the entire casino. Most professional stock pickers lose to the market average, so stop trying to find the needle, just buy the whole haystack. It automatically kicks out the losers and keeps the winners. It's the most reliable wealth vehicle ever created for normal people. Number 4, income-producing real estate. The bank gives you the money to buy it, leverage. The tenant pays off the debt, cash flow. The government gives you tax breaks for holding it, and inflation makes your debt cheaper while the asset grows. Number 3, your own business and equity. Working for a salary has a hard ceiling built into the math. When you're exceptional at a job, your boss gets rich. But when you own the equity, the upside is infinite. Systemize it, make it run without you, and sell the machine. Number 2, your health. None of this matters if you have a heart attack at 50. Health isn't a lifestyle choice, it's your operating system. Fit people earn more, sleep better, and make sharper decisions. A brain fueled by garbage will see a risk where a healthy brain sees opportunity. And number 1, the seed that grows everything else. Your high-income skills. Everything requires capital, and capital comes from income. Saving 10% of a minimum wage job will take you 300 years. You need a skill the market desperately values. Sales, coding, marketing, negotiation. Skills that can't be automated and scale with leverage. The guy making $300,000 invests 12 times more capital than the guy making $50,000. That's not just faster compounding, that's a different universe. You don't get rich fixing your finances, you get rich fixing your value.
But Bob, that's 15 things. I can't do 15 things. I can barely remember to brush my teeth.
Nobody said do all 15 tomorrow, you idiot. Pick 3. Start the next 90 days. The gap between the poor and the rich isn't information anymore. You have the internet. You have the exact same data. The gap is action. It's the distance between knowing and doing. Most of you will close this video, feel inspired for 48 hours, and then go right back to exactly what you were doing. Trading time for nothing, waiting for a miracle. Don't be that guy. Build the skills, secure the cash flow, protect the assets, buy a business, index your extra cash. Don't eat garbage. It's boring, it takes a decade, and it mathematically cannot fail.
I'm doing it. I'm learning a skill right now. I'm going to be a master juggler.
A high-income skill, not a circus trick. Nobody is paying you $1 million to juggle trash. Find problems that rich people or businesses hate dealing with. Solve those problems. Charge a premium. Use that premium to buy the index funds. Let the index funds pay your rent. Congratulations, you just escaped the system. It's a formula, not magic. The only variable is how long you're going to sit there complaining. Time is passing anyway. The 10 years will pass. You'll either be older and richer or just older. Stop acting like you have infinite time to figure this out. Stop buying stuff to impress people you hate. Start acquiring things that pay you back. Assets over liabilities, equity over salary, cash flow over status.
Okay. I'm throwing away my lottery tickets. I'm buying an index fund today.
Better late than never, kid. Now do it consistently for a decade. The game isn't complicated. It just filters out the impatient. Hit subscribe before the system completely drains your pockets. Bank on Bob. We're breaking out of here.